Welcome, Julie Hackworth here at a new listing. I'm at 216 Monroe Street in Brooklyn. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 1.5 full bath. Immediately when you walk in, you're going to see these beautiful updated flooring throughout the house. Brand new kitchen, updated bathrooms, first floor bedroom, as well as the bathrooms and laundry room. Has cute little sun porches that are usable space, basement for storage, and a fenced-in backyard that's very private for you to entertain your guests or your fur babies to run around. This home is located in the heart of Brooklyn, so walk on down to catch a parade, maybe a bite to eat, shopping, get a coffee. This town is so charming, as well as the contemporary updates in the home.